Hi, my name is London. That's London. My hobbies are watching English movies and series, reading blogs and articles online like current events and any interesting article online. I also love to check out new restaurants. I graduated with a degree of Bachelor of Elementary Education, major in General Education. I am a licensed teacher and I have been teaching since 2011. I can teach you all the basic things about English, like grammar and vocabulary. I enjoy teaching children, but I can definitely teach all levels of students. I strongly believe that I am born to become a teacher. I can assure you that I am equipped with all the knowledge and techniques that can help you in improving your English skills. If you study with me, I am willing to share all the knowledge and skills that I have. Learning English is fun. Let's study together, let's practice together, and let me help you. Goodbye.